And I'm with Larry Jacob Internet Marketing, and here's a LearnDash review for business owners that are considering LearnDash as a potential online course building platform for their online course. So this is not going to be one of these reviews that goes into all the feature list and tells you here's the little things that it does and here's the other things that it does. It's going to be focused on which types of business this is really ideal for. And we're going to be getting really practical because we want to find out how this tool works best for you as a business owner, and does it support the kind of course models that you're wanting to build. So what is LearnDash? LearnDash is a WordPress-based plugin, so it adds online course building features to your WordPress site. So there's nothing magical about it, but it is very different from the Teachables and the Thinkifics and the Kajabis that are a software as a service. They're a SaaS model, and you get what they offer you. Now, when is LearnDash a good choice? First of all, your course is part of a larger business offering. So it's not a standalone one course that I'm going to make available for other people. It's something that takes what you're already doing in your business and you're adding something to it, or you're offering an online course version of what you have. Maybe you have a coaching practice, you already offer some sort of a membership or a subscription program, you have a certification, and possibly you have like a multi-level value ladder. So you like the idea of having a course that you offer to people, they learn something, they establish you as an expert, and then maybe they come up and they hire you as a consultant or as a coach. So it's kind of a step in a larger business model. Number two, you want ownership, and that ownership is going to evolve. What happens to a lot of people when they go with a software as a service option is they're locked into all the features and only the features that are offered by that platform. So it may be a good platform, but if you need something it doesn't offer, you're stuck, and then you've got to pull everything out of that platform and go to something else like WordPress and LearnDash. So it's more difficult to adjust your pricing, to offer like a free offer. Free trials are available, but you don't have quite the flexibility that you might want. So if your course benefits from a specific structure, LearnDash could be a really good idea for you, because the nice thing about LearnDash is that it allows you to structure your courses, in an outline format. It allows you to have either long lessons or lessons broken down into topics, whatever flexible format you want, including adding quizzes and questionnaires, things like that. It's all there, but it's important that you're wanting to have a lot of flexibility. You're wanting to have the ability to do whatever you want, and you're never going to be locked into something that a software as a service platform is doing for you. So when is LearnDash not a good choice? If you want something that's fast and easy to do. LearnDash is not super complicated, but it does require that you have a WordPress site, that you understand how to update plugins. There's more to it. So the learning curve to get started is going to be a little bit more involved. So heads up, that's ahead of you. If you're wanting to have something, a short-term test, it's probably not the right platform for you. You're going to be doing a lot more work than necessary to get something done that you could probably do easier somewhere else. If you don't want the responsibility for managing a website, or to hire someone like us to do that, that's probably not the right choice for you. But it is a good fit if your course supports your primary business, if you plan to add and expand offers and you want a lot of flexibility, if you want control to how people are given access and how the content is delivered, if your learning is tied to your revenue and to retention, so that you have a lot of options when it comes to either upselling people into a membership, or sometimes we have customers that have a course that then later has an alumni access to it. With LearnDash, features like that are very straightforward. So just wanted to give you a review that takes a more business perspective to help you select the right platform for you. And, hope this helps.